How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 72 Olds Cutlass Supreme, done in gorgeous emerald green, white top, white bucket seat interior. Super nice car. See, the grills look like new. Bumpers have all been re-chromed on this car. Super nice, slick paint on the car. Straight as an arrow down the sides. I tell you, this thing's got a wicked 30 over, 350, been all blueprinted and balanced. Got a 200 4R overdrive trans. Got 373 posi rear, front and rear sway bars. You had to bear with us, the sun kind of keeps coming and going today. See the rear bumper, all been re-chromed. Beautiful car, guys. All the panel fitment and everything on this car is very nice. See how slick it is down the sides. Again, it's all been blueprinted and balanced. 30 over 350. Got your aluminum intake, your Holley. It's got all MSD ignition. Got your power steering, your power disc brakes. Heavy duty radiator in it. It's got a set of long tube headers into 3-inch dual exhaust all the way out the back. It's all mandrel bent with X-pipe. See how nice and clean the doors all are on this car. Super nice car, folks. Headliner looks real nice and tight. I really like the white interior. Just a tough looking car. You have to kind of apologize for the sun coming and going. Trunk looks real nice in the car. Mostly all original panels on the car. Good solid car. These are all 15-inch Olds rallies on it. It's got a set of your drag radials in the rear. The jams and everything in this car, very nice. Super nice car, guys. And it is just a blast to drive. Fires right up. Looks like we got a blinker bulb out there. We'll check it out. Tough car here, guys. Real zippy motor in it. You can get in this car, drive anywhere you want to go with the overdrive trans, run it down the freeway anywhere. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.